Right, I've got an idea to get a photo of breathing fire at the top of a mountain. Can I make it happen? Let's see. Right, them ones. It's quite a trek, but I've got something in the pipeline with Northern Monk which I need to have my legs for, so it's good to get a bit of practice. So I want to make it pretty hard on myself. Not bad vistas. Ooh. Still got a way to go though. I fancy dropping down into this tarn and having a bit of a swim. The winds are picking up now, so I'm not sure. But obviously you don't do fire breathing in high winds. It's quite beautiful. Ooh, I got a bit of a bead on. Jeremiah bead on. If I see a little route now, I'm beelining for it. Usually like to dunk the junk of a morning, but it's warm and I think, oh, it'll be so refreshing. I'll just do it anyway. It's still quite a steep climb to get to the summit. Or do we go down there to the lake? Let's do both. Let's get in the lake, have a swim, freshen up, get cold, and then we'll tackle that. Taking a bit of a clammy detour, which has added some pretty steep inclines onto my trip to the top, but who cares, mate? I saw this water and I just could not resist it. So there's not many flat areas at the side, so it's a bit awkward getting in, but let's have a look anyway. Good job I've got me swimming clobber on under me. Got me swimming clobber on under me denim hot pants, so we're good to go. I've got my little. Should we see how warm she is? Whew! I mean, it's looking at 24.7 degrees Celsius out of the water. Right, let's get rid of it. I'm sure it's not that cold now. I mean, it's colder than that other one, that's for sure. Horsefly, do one, mate. 15.8 degrees. Can you even see that? Is there even any point in me showing it to the camera? Yeah. Oh, what was that? 15.8 degrees Celsius. AKA refreshing. How have I cut myself there? What have I done? Not bothered. Not even bothered when it touches nuts. it isn't, it isn't. Whew. Oh mate, look at this. Spoiling myself with such beauty. Have a little go then, eh? Oh. Ooh, you what, mate? Ooh. Ow, it's cold on cold on head. Ah, it's cold on head. That's for sure. Whoa. Yeah, it's real deep, man. Yeah, real deep. Might come back with me free diving with flippers and stuff and see how far down we can get and film it. Lol-a-thon. Suitably refreshed. Find somewhere flat to lie down and dry out for a bit and have a bite to eat. Gather myself before we make a go for the summit. That was a lovely little interlude. Just walking into in hot pants now, in duds. Because it takes you a little bit of time, but you just adjust to the just life in the mountains, innit? Life in the fells. It doesn't matter that you walk around in a pair of swimming trunks and dunk yourself in water, and it's just a different pace, and a pace that after this week was very much needed. That was a steep climb, not for the faint-hearted. Or the weak of legs, weak-of-legged. Right, there must be a trig point up here somewhere. Let's go find the summit and top out. Got ya. Yeah, man. Whew. So as always, when it's a little bit windy, first thing I do is attach. I have a little carabiner and I just attach that to my bag. Any old loop will do. Oh. So attach the guy line to the bag so it doesn't become an expensive kite. Done. That almost got away from me. It's a good job I did attach it to my bag. Home sweet home. Right, let's have a little goose at the setup. Same shiz, different days. Alp kit, Pipe Dream, I think it's the 400, 3-season bag. Thermarest X-Therm large. Oh, look at the old Pipe Dream, it's taken a few shots like. She's lasted me well, I'll have to get her patched up. Sea to Summit inflatable pillow. The tent that we're in is the Helm 2. That's Terra Nova. That's it, look at all room, ample. Tails from the tent. And then I've got a vegetable hot pot, bottle of Merlot, and to a lesser extent, water. Right, eyeballing it in. I don't think this is going to work, mate. I think I'll just breathe fire and you won't even be able to see it. From about here, do you think? I want it to be like a sunset with a fire breathing thing and then try and get a photo of it, but I reckon that's going to be well hard. Shall I just do a little bit now? I'll do a little one now I'll do a little trial run. Not working. Nah, and it tastes horrible. That's best I could do, and it's too windy. I just did a little trial run and it's far too windy to get any sort of flame, so unless it calms down for the morning. Sorry about that. It's a good idea though, wasn't it? The idea was there, and I will get it one day. But at least that means I can have some red wine. Absent friends. Simply beautiful. I didn't get my fire breathing shot, but regards. Go on. Oh, there she is. It was a tough climb up today, but it's just worth it. I'm not doing much waffling on this one up here. I'm just taking some time to appreciate it. It's simply stunning. And unless something magic or tragic happens, I shall see you on the morrow. well. In fact, slept in. Normally I feel guilty for sleeping in, but I just let the sunrise go. I just rest. Needed it. I've got no water, so we're gonna go and brush my teeth, make a brew, and do everything down by one of the tarns down there. Big up, Pete. Oh, it's Nipster. Right, let's put this camera away while I tackle this beast. And it's certainly a lot colder this morning. Right, let's have a little bit of a swim, blow cobwebs out. All I'm going to do is have a bit of a swim about, make a brew, chill out, and then make my way back to the van. So. Thanks for watching.